All right, today we're going to make painted patterned hearts on very large construction paper. You can do your heart vertical, straight up and down, or you can do your heart horizontal, side to side. Either way, the heart needs to take up the whole paper. The first thing you'll do is you'll determine which color for Valentine's Day you're going to use to create your heart. There's pink, orange, red, purple, and white. And then you'll want to use your paintbrush. And you're not going to use a pencil or a marker to draw the heart out. Rather, you're going to use your paintbrush with whatever color it is that you want to start your heart with. I'm going to go with red. I'm going to start here at the top and make a big curved line, go all the way down to the point, and I'm going to go all the way up and I'm going to curve back around. Okay, it might be a little dry at first. That's fine. I'm just getting my shape. And then I'm going to continue adding my paint. I'll go back and forth, always getting more paint if I need to, filling up a part of the heart. And then I can go ahead and I can start adding more colors. When I add colors, I want to make sure that I clean my brush. So I'm pushing down in the water cup so the bristles get clean. Sometimes I do a back and forth motion and then circle, adding pressure at the bottom of the water cup to get that paint out. Then to make sure I don't have a lot of water, I use the very edge to get that extra water off. Then I go ahead and I pick my next color and I pick a spot where I want to add my next color. Now this project, the heart can be a little bit messy, and of course you can overlap your colors. That's fine. Remember, clean your brush every time you switch colors. See how I'm kind of overlapping that white into the orange and the red, and that's definitely something you can do. Always clean your brush, get rid of the extra water, and get new paint and fill your spot. Here I'm doing some white and it kind of mix in with the red, which is pretty fun. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. Filling up my spot. I can do my overlapping. I can do different brush strokes to create the different texture look. Okay, so I'm doing short, quick brush strokes and I kind of gave that squarish texture. Then I'm going to clean my brush. I'm going to get a new color. I'm going to fill in whatever I have left. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe I pull some of the purple back down and I push some of the purple up into that pattern. So now I have my whole area of the heart that is filled in with the paint. I'm going to clean my brush and then next I'm going to add some texture or some pattern, design, detail over parts of the heart. So maybe I get my white and I do some polka dots going down, just like that. And maybe I just want to do it on one side. That's fine. And then maybe I get another color. I'll do some orange. And I'll make little hearts over here. Add some extra detail pattern. Boom, right over that. And remember, this heart is kind of like a messy heart. So we're not looking for perfection or really super clean work for this project like we normally do. A little bit more on the messy side. So I go ahead and I'm just going to add that pattern in there. Created those hearts with my paintbrush. Okay, then when I'm all done with my paint and I've added a few different patterns, designs, details to the top part of my heart, I'm going to pick a spot on my heart and I'm going to add some glitter. I'm going to pinch the glitter out. We're not going to dump it out. And you can do a light coating of glitter over the whole heart you want, or you can do something really cool where you just put glitter in one section. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put glitter in one section. And I found a spot down here where it looks like I have a little bit more paint. So then it acts kind of like glue and it will stick. And I'm just going to put the glitter here. I'm using my fingers to put the glitter on. And then if I have extra, I just kind of wipe it off, and if the glitter goes somewhere else, that's fine. Another fun thing you can do is you can take your paintbrush and you can dip it in a color. Sometimes white is fun. You can use your hand or you can use another tool, and you can hit it a little bit and it kind of will create a little bit of that splatter. We don't want to make a huge mess. So that's why I use a tool or my finger and I just tap on the paintbrush and it gives it that splatter effect. So that's also something you could do to add some more fun detail. Then when I'm all done, you need to just write your name, your teacher's name, and your grade. You're going to put this in the drying rack. You're going to put your paintbrush in the sink. The last person to paint at your table is responsible for dumping the water cups out and putting new water in, putting them back on your table. When this dries, we will then cut it out and we will have our painted pattern heart. All right, let's get to it.